I'm back to Geometry Dash and I made this level called Focus. I can't post this on GD because I don't have a GD account. So let's go. I'm gonna try to beat it also.
Gusto ko mag-choir.
Okay. No, not again. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Where is my tab progress now? Please. No!
Ingay.
Papa, kanina may lumabas sa ear ko, dry.
Ha?
Dry. May lumabas sa ear ko.
Ayan.
Parang dry siya.
Luga.
Ha?
Luga. Luga. Yung kulay yellow? Something?
Light brown.
Hindi tuloy-tuloy.
Dry siya.
Ha?
Dry.
Dry. Kulangot. Nahulog. Nahulog yun. Ibig sabihin marami kang kulangot. Ew, kadiri ka. Sa babae ng tao.
Also, this video would take 5 minutes, or maybe like more, like 6. Okay. No. Okay. We gotta do it on practice mode then. By the way, let's cut. Okay, guys. So I just tried it after. I just tried the level after practice, and I'm still not good at it. So bye, guys. I'm just gonna do another. I'm gonna do a part 2 tomorrow.